Welcome back, kids. Today we are going to learn English subject. Here, unit number 7, lesson number 3, the egg. We will see what is in this lesson. Now, here is lesson number 3, the egg. Okay, first exercise, look, listen, and read. Okay, I will read this lesson and explain it one by one paragraph. You listen carefully. Okay, so I will read it. Baby parrot lived in a nest with mummy and a big white egg. I'm going to find some food, said mummy one day. Look here in this paragraph. Here is a one baby parrot who lived with its mummy. And there is one big white egg also in the nest. Okay. And mummy parrot telling to baby parrot that she has to go to find some food. Why? Because when mummy birth other ones, they go bring food. Yes or not? Mummy and father also have to go and bring food for them. Just like here, mummy parrot went to bring some food. Okay. So she is saying, I'm going to find some food. Okay, and after that, here is a second paragraph. You must look after the egg until I return. Baby parrot watched the egg for a very long time. She moved it around to make sure it was comfortable. She wrapped her wings around it to make sure it was warm. I'm very good at looking after eggs, she thought. Look here. She says, look after the egg until I return. Mummy parrot says, look after the egg. And the baby parrot is a good child. Baby parrot always listen and obey its mother. So, the baby parrot watched the egg for a very long time. She did not get bored and she did not walk away. She waited just like her mummy had told her. Okay, and then she not only watching the egg, but she is also loving and caring child, so she moves the egg around. The baby parrot is very caring, and so she moves the egg around. Okay, why? To make sure that the egg was comfortable. Then she is covering egg with her wings around the egg. Here look. She wrapped her wings. Wrapped means covering this egg. This baby parrot covering the egg with her wings around the egg. And why she wrapped this egg? Because he wants to make sure it was warm. She said, I am doing a very good job looking after the egg. Now the baby parrot thought that I am doing very good job. I am looking this egg very carefully. Yes or not? We'll see the third paragraph. Just then she heard the monkeys playing in the trees. Baby parrot tried to call like a monkey too. She peered over the egg of the nest and laughed at the games. Suddenly, baby parrot remembered the egg. She looked around and gulped. It was broken. Mummy would be angry. But when Mummy returned, she wasn't angry at all. What is here? Here, who lives on the trees with bird? The monkeys. Monkeys also live on the tree. Yes or not? Monkeys, they make a sound. They make a lot of sound, and here the baby parrot heard this sound, and he seeing that the monkey is playing in the trees. Now he heard the sound. That time she tries to imitating the sound of the monkey. She peered over the edge of the nest. Now here, peered over means quickly look down and come up. She sang monkey's game and laughed. Then she laughed at their games. Why? Because she feels funny. She feels funny. Why? She watching the games of these monkeys. But suddenly he remembered the egg. She looked round and gulped. Gulp means she's scared. Why she was scared? Because the egg was broken. The egg was broken, and she thought that her mummy would be angry, and because she didn't take care of egg. But when mummy bird returned, she was not angry. Mummy mummy bird was not angry. Okay. Now last paragraph. Don't worry, mummy said as a little parrot popped out of the broken eggshell. The egg has hatched while I was away. Now you have got a new baby sister to play with. Okay. Now mummy parrot was not angry, and she says, "Don't worry." Mummy parrot says, "Don't worry." As a little parrot popped out of the broken eggshell. Here is a new baby parrot pop out from the broken eggshell. Okay, the egg broke and out come a small little baby parrot. She telling other baby parrot, "Don't worry, the egg has hatched while I am away." And egg hatch means the became a baby bird from these eggshells. Okay, the baby bird ready to come out. The baby bird ready to come out from the eggshell. Okay, now mummy parrot says to the baby parrot, "Now you have got baby sister to play with you." After the while broken eggs is there, that time one baby parrot came out, and it's a new baby parrot. And the mummy parrot says that you got a baby sister to play with you. जैसे आपको भी अगर कोई छोटे भाई या बहन होता है तो आपको आपके साथ खेलने के लिए काम आते हैं ना, आप उनके साथ खेलते हो, वैसे ही वहाँ पे उनके मम्मी ने कहा है कि अभी आपको एक बहन हुई है आपके साथ खेलने के लिए. ओके, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस लेसन. नाउ हियर सम वर्ड्स. Exercise number 2. Look and say. Here is first word is baby. What? Baby. B-A-B-Y. Baby. Then second is P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. M-U-M-M-Y. Mummy. M-U-M-M-Y. Mummy. Next is C-O-M-F-O-R-T-A-B-L-E. Comfortable. C-O-M-F-O-R-T-A-B-L-E. Comfortable. Next is wrap. W-R-A-P. Wrap. Wrap means cover karna. Then next remember. R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R. R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R. Remember. After that G-U-L-P. Gulp. G-U-L-P. Gulp. Then angry. A-N-G-R-Y. Angry. A-N-G-R-Y. Angry. Next is eggshell. E-G-G-S-H-E-L-L. Eggshell. Then H-A-T-C-H. Hatch. H-A-T-C-H. Hatch. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. Then E-D-G-E. Age. E-D-G-E, age. Okay. Now we will see next. Here is a question. Third question is here. Who lived in the nest? Now here are some answers. Question 3's answer is here. Baby parrot live in the nest. Then fourth question. What did the baby parrot remember? The baby parrot remembered the egg. Fifth question. Now you have got a new baby sister to play with. Who said this? Mummy parrot said to the baby parrot. Okay, now look here. Question number 3's answer is here. Question number 4th answer is here. And 5th answer is here. Okay, you have to write this in your English notebook. Next is 6th number exercise. Add words to the following to make longer phrases. Here is an example. A parrot, a baby parrot. Then third sentence is a baby parrot in a nest. Means we have to add a new word in the one word. Okay. So here is egg, mummy and monkey. There are 3 words. So you make the phrases. First is egg, a egg. Then a white egg. The third sentence is a white egg of hen. Here we make a phrase of egg. Okay. Next word is mummy. Look here. Here is mummy. Now we will make phrase. First a mummy. Then we add a lovely mummy. Means here we add lovely word. Then after that in the third, a lovely mummy take care all of us. Okay. Then monkey. A monkey. A naughty monkey. A naughty monkey jumps on a tree. Okay. So these are phrases. We add one word in each sentence and then we make phrase. Okay. Next, here is homework. So exercise number 7. Write one line each about the characters you have met in the story. In this story, we met baby parrot, mummy parrot and the egg. So you have to write one sentence on each character. Okay. Then 8 number exercise. Find the small words hidden in the big words. Already we learned it that how we find the small words in the big word. So first is comfortable. We can find here for table, table, come, come. So you find more words from these words. Third is eggshell. Here is EGG, egg. This is one word. Then shell, second word. After that monkey, MONKEY. Here is MONKEY means monkey. So on, KEY, key. You can also make more words from these words. Okay. So 9th exercise is here. Find out the words from the story which contain blends in their spellings. Now here contain blends means double letter words. In which word there is double letter, you have to find it and write here. Okay. There are 14 words in the lesson. So you have to find it and write here. This is your homework. So I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you. Bye.